people have said that you went through the knit along video a bit too quickly, so can you clarify what's happening?
What you're talking about is patterns, because I was talking about knit along, which is going to be based on this, which is called Remembrance. There you go. So I've got two, because I asked people whether they wanted multi-flower or single flower. So you could actually do both. You could do a cushion and do one on each side of each. This pattern is available on our Etsy shop as a poster, or it's available in our Patreon as a digital download, which is free to patrons. And if you're paying patron, it's only £2 a month. You can have that chart for free.
And it will be the one that we're using.
This is the one we're using for the knit along. But some people might like to use this one, and you could use this one because it's the same size. It's exactly the same. It's a single. It's not available anywhere at the moment, but enough people shout, I will make a poster of that on Etsy, as well as it just being a digital download on our Patreon. Thanks, Joe.